Today's topic is filtration and slow sand filter. In water treatment plant, after the process of screening and if required grit, screening and sedimentation, water may contain some very fine suspended particles and bacteria present in it. To remove these, water is filtered through the beds of fine granular material or sand, and this process is known as filtration. Filtration helps in removing color, odor, turbidity, and some pathogenic bacteria. The theory of filtration, there are four theory behind the filtration. First is mechanical staining, second flocculation and sedimentation, third is biological metabolism, and fourth is electrolytic changes. First theory says mechanical staining. Most of the particles are removed due to its being trapped in the pores of filter or voids of filter medium, sand or gravel. This phenomena takes place mostly in the upper part or upper layer of the filter. The arrested impurities, including coagulated flocks or coagulated with the help of chemical, coagulated flocks form a impurities form a mat on top of filter or filter layer, which further helps in straining out the impurity. This is the first theory, mechanical staining. Second is flocculation and sedimentation. Finer particles smaller than the voids are removed by sedimentation due to gravitational force. The particles stick to the already settled gelatinous mass in the pores of the filter medium or over the filter medium. Third theory is biological metabolism. In biological metabolism, certain microorganisms or certain types of bacteria present in the voids of filter and require organic impurities as food. Organic impurities are the food of that bacteria. These organisms or bacteria utilize organic impurities and convert them into harmless compounds. These harmless compounds so formed form a layer on top called dirty skin, which absorb and strain out the impurity. And fourth theory is electrolytic changes. According to this theory, a filter helps in purifying the water by changing the chemical characteristics of water. How? As sand grains and impurities in water carry electrical charges of opposite nature and they neutralize each other while they come in contact with each other. This theory is also applicable. So, four theories behind the filtration. Now, first type of filter used for public water supplies and water treatment plant is slow sand filter. The construction of slow sand filter, generally they are designed as watertight rectangular tank. The depth of tank may vary from 2.5 to 3.5 meter. Plan area, these are the big type of filters. Plan area 100 to 2000 meter square or more. Filter material filtering media consists of sand layers about 90 to 110 centimeter in depth, and configuration of particle of sand D10. D10 means 10% finer than this dia is equal to 0.2 to 0.4 mm. Dia D10 dia means 10% finer than this dia. Size of this 0.2 to 0.4 mm. Size of sieve in mm through which 10% will pass. And uniformity coefficient D60 upon D10 is equal to 1.8 to 2.5 or 3. Top 15 centimeter of sand layer will be fine sand and will follow the coarser, though not necessary. It may remain of uniform size. Base material from top, first layer is sand, then second sand, and after that layer of gravels. Base material is of gravel of 30 to 75 centimeter thick. Base contains 3 to 4 layers of 15 to 20 centimeter depth. Each gravel layer 15 to 20 centimeter depth. Rate of filtration of slow salt filter is 100 to 200 liter per hour per meter square. 100 to 200 liter water filter per hour per square meter of filter medium. Gravel support is laid on top of under drainage system. In bottom of the filter, under drainage system is there. Consists of central and lateral drains. Lateral drains, and one is central main pipe for collecting the water. Laterals are porous drains placed 3 to 5 meter apart on bottom floor and sloping towards main central pipe. Lateral pipes slope are towards the central main drain. Inlet chamber is constructed for admitting effluent from plain sedimentation tank without disturbing sand layer. The velocity is so adjusted, then sand layer not disturbed, without disturbing sand layer, and to distribute equally over the filter media. Vertical air pipe are provided for proper functioning of filtering layer for reduced atmospheric pressure. A meter is installed to control the depth of water above sand layer, 1 to 1.5 meter. The depth of water over filter media. A gauge is installed to measure loss of head. This head loss occurs due to resistance offered by sand grains to water flow. Filter head, difference of water level between filter tank and water valve. Water valve, here the filtered water to be collected. Difference of water level between filter tank and water valve. Next point in construction, freshly clean filter have low head loss of 10 to 15 centimeter, but with passage of time head loss increases. So telescopic tube is adjusted to maintain a uniform discharge. Now cleaning of filters. Due to deposition of impurity or organic matter in present water, When head loss becomes high, zero point 0.7 to 1 meter, filter unit must be cleaned. Cleaning is done by scraping and removing the 1.5 to 3 centimeter of top sand layer and then washing with good water. Amount of wash water required is 0.2 to 0.6% of total water filtered. After 24 to 36 hours of cleaning, formation of a film of arrested impurities around the sand grains has taken place and filter becomes ready for operation. After the cleaning, 24 to 36 hours, filter is ready to operation. Frequency of cleaning is 1 to 3 months. After 1 to 3 months, cleaning once in 3 or 2 or 3 months, the operation is there. Operation of slow sand filter. First, treat treated water from sedimentation tank enter in inlet chamber of filter unit of slow sand filter, then distributed over filter bed, then percolation of water through filter media. Now water enters in gravel layer in bottom. From gravel layer to collection in lateral pipes through open joints, and water from lateral pipes to main pipe, main central drain, and main pipe to filtered water well, and filtered water well pump to storage tank, and then proceed and use the water. This is the phenomena and operation of slow sand filter. Water entering the slow sand filter should not be treated by coagulants or chemicals. Efficiency of slow sand filter. Bacteria can be removed up to 98 to 99%. Very efficient for bacteria removing. Remove odor, taste due to presence of organic impurities. Less efficient in removing color of raw water. Can remove turbidity only up to 50 milligram per liter also. These are best suited for smaller plants or small towns and for purifying waters with low colors, turbidity and bacterial content. Uses, they are best suited for smaller plants and for purifying water with low color, low turbidity and low bacterial content. They require larger area. They are uneconomical for larger public supply for the requirement of land. So for large public supply, rapid gravity filter is required. Number of filter beds used. Number of filter beds required depend on total filter area. If area in meter square and number of filter beds used. If area less than 20 meter square, then filters used 2. 1 plus 1 in surplus for the duration of cleaning. If area 20 to 249 meter square, then use 3 filters. 250 to 649 meter square area, 4 filters. 650 to 1200 meter square, 5 filters. And above 12 1201 meter square onwards, we use 6 filter beds in slow sand filter. So this is the concept of slow sand filter and construction of slow sand filter. Thank you.